In the past, wars were fought with tanks, ships, and fighter jets. But in 2025, the battlefield is changing. The United States Army is investing billions of dollars into drone warfare. Why? Because drones are no longer just flying cameras. They are becoming the future of military power. Section 1. The rise of military drones. For decades, drones were used mostly for surveillance. They gave commanders a bird's-eye view without risking a soldier's life. But today, drones are more advanced than ever. They can strike targets with pinpoint accuracy, operate in dangerous environments, and even work together in swarms. The U.S. Army has realized that in future wars, speed, precision, and technology will decide victory, not just manpower. Section 2. Billions in investment. In 2025 alone, the U.S. military budget has allocated billions of dollars to expand its drone fleet. This includes combat drones that can carry missiles, reconnaissance drones that can detect threats miles away, and even experimental drones powered by artificial intelligence. This huge investment is not just about keeping up with technology. It's about staying ahead of global rivals like China and Russia, who are also racing to develop next-generation drones. Section 3. The advantages of drone warfare. Why drones? The answer is simple: safety and efficiency. A drone can fly into dangerous areas without risking human life. It can operate for hours, sometimes days, without rest. And it can send real-time data directly to soldiers on the ground. But the biggest advantage is cost. Training and equipping a soldier is expensive. A single advanced fighter jet can cost over $100 million. Drones, on the other hand, are cheaper to build, easier to replace, and faster to upgrade. For the U.S. Army, that means more power at a lower long-term cost. Section 4. The future of drone warfare. The future battlefield may look very different. Imagine swarms of drones working like a team, scouting, jamming enemy radar, and striking multiple targets at once. Some drones might even be fully autonomous, making split-second decisions without waiting for human commands. Of course, this raises big questions. Will wars become easier to start if fewer human lives are at risk? And how much control should machines really have? Conclusion. The United States Army believes drones are the key to staying ahead in a dangerous world. By investing billions in 2025, they are preparing for wars that may be fought less by humans and more by machines. What do you think? Will drone warfare make the world safer or more dangerous? Share your thoughts in the comments.